Everyone is always telling you to raise your vibration. Everyone is always talking about vibrations and high vibrations and how important it is to maintain a high vibration. But if you don't know what actually vibration is and what hides behind the term vibration, it's very hard to raise your vibration when you've got no idea what you're doing. So let me explain what is vibration, how can you raise it, and how your vibration affects every aspect of your reality and how your vibration creates every aspect of your reality. Because once you understand this knowledge, once you understand this concept, you let go of any limiting things, limiting beliefs, any limitations in your reality, and you start consciously creating your reality. Instead of allowing your reality to happen to you, you become a conscious designer of your reality. And it all happens when you understand a simple concept of vibration. Because as complicated as some people make it out to be, it's not that difficult to understand vibration. This knowledge is already within you. This knowledge already exists within you on a soul level. And all you need is to be reminded of this knowledge. And when you are reminded of this knowledge, you can utilize it to create for yourself a magical, wonderful reality. So to understand the concept of vibration, we need to understand the quantum nature of this universe. And I know it sounds very bizarre and very complicated, but you don't have to be a scientist, you don't have to be a quantum physicist to understand the quantum nature of this reality. Because the most important quantum principle of this reality is simple. Everything is energy in the universe. Everything is energy. Everything is made of energy. You are energy. Everything that surrounds you in this three-dimensional reality on a subatomic level is energy. And why is it so important to be aware of? Is because this energy vibrates on different frequencies. And these frequencies are created of different vibrations. So it's almost like your vibration is your very own energetic signature, your dominant energetic signature, because remember, you are energy and you have your own energy field, and your dominant vibration permeates your energy field and in essence creates your dominant frequency. And everything that surrounds you is in vibrational alignment with that frequency, because similar vibrations, similar energies are attracted to that current frequency of yours. So what creates your vibration? What creates this energy of yours? What creates your energy field? Believe me or not, your emotions. Your emotions. Emotions are nothing else than energy. I mean, everything is energy in the universe, and emotions are very potent energy. Emotions affect your energy field. Emotions affect your chakras. Emotions affect who you are as an energetic being because they create your energy. It is scientifically proven that you can measure an emotion. You can measure the energetic potential of the emotion. There's a whole vibrational scale of emotions created by scientists that shows you the energy behind emotions, and that shows you that high emotions, positive emotions, are high vibrational emotions, and they create a lot of positive energy in your life. And low emotions, the state of survival, the emotions of survival, they create a lot of chaos and a lot of low energy in your life. So you always hear how important it is to maintain a high vibration. And by saying maintain a high vibration, like all of those people that are telling you to be high vibrational, to raise your vibe and to maintain a high vibration, basically what they mean is to allow yourself to experience better emotions. Because positive emotions are high vibrational emotions, they vibrate with a higher frequency and they attract to you a better reality. Because if your dominant emotional state is positive, then it attracts similar energy, it attracts similar vibrations, and essentially you hop onto a new frequency and your entire reality starts to match this frequency. So emotions like joy, love, gratitude, happiness, inspiration, and many other positive emotions essentially help you to elevate your state of being, your energetic state of being, and they allow you to vibrate with a higher frequency. So the key is to allow yourself to permanently shift your dominant emotional state and thus your dominant vibrational state. Because so many of us just allow our emotions to happen to us and our thoughts to happen to us, because remember, your thoughts create your emotions. So in order to change your emotions, you also have to change your thoughts. So it's all about inner work. It's all about stopping this cycles of negative emotions. Because it's completely okay to feel negative emotion. It's completely okay to experience a negative emotion, even though it's a low energy, even though it's low vibration. It's still completely okay to allow yourself to feel whatever you're feeling in the moment. But feeling a negative emotions doesn't mean identifying yourself with this negative emotion. You can experience any low vibrational, low emotional state, but you don't have to become this state. Let me repeat. You can experience any low vibrational, low emotional state, but you don't have to become this state. You don't have to allow the low negative emotions to take over your life. Because when you experience them, it's just your subconscious mind is trying to tell you something. It's trying to encourage you to look at these emotions, understand these emotions, heal these emotions, and release these emotions. Because when you release all of those negative beliefs and all of those negative thoughts that create these negative feelings, you just let them go. They no longer here. They no longer in your energy field. But it requires awareness and it requires inner work. Because if you want to experience a better reality, then you have to elevate your vibration so you can get onto a different frequency. And you have to become conscious of your feelings and even induce your feelings. Like induce positive emotional states deliberately, at least in the beginning. Because the more you do this, the more it will become your natural state of being. But in the beginning, you will have to prompt your mind to start feeling and thinking differently. So yeah, it's gonna take practice. It's gonna take practice, and you're gonna have like this moment when you jump into a high emotion and you come back to your low emotional state, because this is what your mind is familiar with. This is your current energy. But the more you allow yourself to feel these better emotions, the more you merge with these better emotions, the more they start to permeate your energy field, and essentially you'll find yourself in a place where you experience higher emotions majority of the time. Majority of the time. It doesn't have to be all the time. You're human. It's okay to experience negative emotions. But majority of the time, work on your vibe, work on your vibration, elevate your emotional state. Because the only way to transform your reality is by transforming your dominant vibration, your dominant frequency, your energy. Because we live in an energetic universe. So things that can help you elevate your vibration are things that make you feel good. So you can start practicing gratitude. You can start spending more time doing things that make you happy. You can spend more time with people that make you happy. You can watch movies that make you happy. You can read books that make you happy. You can listen to music. You can dance to your favorite music. You can allow yourself to laugh more and just have more fun, because all of those things allow you to feel better and they impact your energy. So sometimes it's all about kind of like a little bit forcing yourself and forcing your stubborn mind to start thinking differently and start feeling differently. And it just experiment with this. I'm telling you, experiment with this, because it essentially is a one big experiment, and it costs you nothing to do this. It costs you nothing to try. And eventually you will find yourself in this place when you start witnessing weird positive shifts in your reality, and you're gonna be like, oh my god, like, is it all because like I'm changing my vibration and changing my emotions, like all of these good things, all of these synchronicities, all of these opportunities, all of these joyful events are coming my way? And the answer is yes, because you are changing your frequency, you are hopping into a different timeline, you are shifting realities. You are changing your frequency, and thus your reality starts to match with your new frequency. And it's such a cool thing to witness when you see like these changes around you, how your reality starts to readjust itself to match your new energy, your new belief system, and your frequency. Is just marvelous thing to witness. So really give it a try and start working yourself, start working your vibration, because it's worth it. Because your vibration creates your reality. So when you become aware of your energy and what's going on in your energy, you essentially get a grip on your reality. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope that now you'll understand the basics of vibration and how your vibration and your emotions create your reality. And even your current reality is just a reflection of your current emotional state. So really, like, pay attention to your current emotional state. Like, what kind of reality your current emotional state is creating for you. And maybe it's a good idea to start working on your emotional state and elevating your emotional state, and just do it gradually. Like, you can't expect to like you're feeling a certain way and suddenly you just like jump up and you start feeling joy. Like, no, it's a gradual process, but like every day you elevate it more and you elevate it more, and you start just like shifting your emotional state and prodding your emotions and thoughts in a different direction. And eventually it's just going to create this like momentum, and it's gonna create a lot of positive shifts in your reality. If it resonated with you in any way whatsoever, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button. And thank you for being here. Thank you for connecting. Thank you for listening.